Okay, so let's review graphing exponential functions. In this problem here, we were given a graph and we want to determine what function is represented in this graph. The first thing I notice about this graph is that it is overall decreasing. So as our x values are getting larger, our graph is going downward. And so what we have here is exponential decay. When we have exponential decay, that means that our base of our exponential function is less than 1. And then, of course, our bases are always greater than 0. So that means that we have a base that's a fraction. So that's why in all of our options here, actually, we have a base of 1/3. If you had some options that had a base of 3 or something like that, you could definitely cancel those options out because we have exponential decay here, so we need to have a base that's a fraction. So we know that we have a base of 1/3 in this case. I'm going to draw in our kind of general exponential decay function, so I will do it in this blue color. We'll draw in that parent function of y equals, in this case it would be 1/3 to the power of x. We know that it's going to go through the point 0, 1, and it's going to get really, really close to the x-axis but not cross it, and then go up like this. So that's kind of a general sketch of our parent function here, and we want to see how those points shifted. And since we know that this point is at 0, 1 on there, I'm just going to kind of focus in and see what happened with that point. So the first thing I notice is that this point definitely was shifted to the left here. And then it was also shifted down. So what I'm seeing is that it was shifted to the left and then it was shifted down. And I can also see that it was shifted to the left more than it was shifted down. So looking at my options here, I've got it could be shifted to the left by 6 or by 2, and then down by 6 or down by 2. I think that it was shifted to the left by 6 and then down by 2 because it's definitely shifted to the left more than it was shifted down. So that means, I'll use this black color again. Looking at our function here, again, we've got x minus h plus k. Our h, since we were shifted to the left 6, is going to be equal to -6. And our k, since we were shifted down 2, is equal to -2, sorry. So plugging those in, we have y equals 1/3 x minus -6 minus 2, and minus a negative is plus. And that is our function.